2, 1. Welcome back to Campus Stack. If your phone giving iTune error is showing like little computer and the charging sign it says connect to the iTune, which is known as recovery mode, don't worry about that. I have a solution for you. So there are two solutions, two steps, or two different kind of solution you can follow. The first simple step, you can just connect your cell phone to the computer and you can easily update your software and it'll go. If it's not, then you have the other option. So let's start for the hardware option. So you need to open your phone and of course you need to disconnect the battery. So there is a connector which you need to disconnect from the main machine, the logic board. So this power button connector goes all the way underneath a battery and the motherboard, which also contain the volume button. So you need to disconnect that particular connector from the logic board. I'll show you, let's zoom it. So that's the upper corner. So you need to disconnect that particular connector, and after that you just put the battery back. Of course your power button is not connected, so you cannot turn on, so you need to connect the charger in order to use your phone or turn on your phone. So let's see if we are able to do that or not. So it's turning on and it shows the Apple logo. Here we go. So the phone is turned on. Let's put the password and make sure everything is working fine. Yes, the touch is working fine. And thank you. Thumbs up if you like that video.